Good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Zorupsar classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss a solution of the chemical science paper CSIR UGC NET December 2025 section B. Already we have discussed a lot of solution of the questions, and now today video we will discuss the question of group theory. In this question, they are asking about the point group of a negative ion. Name of this ion is the octachlorodi. Name of this ion is the octachlorodi rhenium, because of R is the rhenium third, and trans cobalt chloride. Okay, and respectively R. There are the given point groups D4H, D2, D4D, and D2 all is R. Okay. Now start the solution of this question according to the concept of the group theory and the point group. In this question, we can solve on the basis of the geometry. Okay. In the compound number 1 is the Ra2Cl8 negative, has a staggered isomers. Okay, has a staggered isomers and conformation, has a staggered conformation relative to staggered conformation relative to the rhenium axis. Okay, relative to the rhenium axis, but in this condition specific, because of this example is a very popular and a historical example due to the presence of the four quadruple bonding in this compound is present. It is a very popular example and historical example. Okay, and but specific to this script complex, to script complex. This complex is a script concept. Okay, and according to the structure of this, we can find the point group in the standard inorganic chemistry. In the standard inorganic chemistry. Okay, it is the as a D4H point group. D4H point group, because of there is no free bonds in this, and the CC central bond converted into the um, inversion or presence of the quadrupole bond. Okay, and in this condition, we can draw the structure of this ionic bond accordingly. Suppose 3D structure, we can draw 3D type of structure of this bonding, and it is a molecule of the rhenium. There are the two molecules of the rhenium R, and 3D structure like that, and arrangement of the second rhenium below this perpendicular on the x-axis, and attachment of the four chlorines. There are the 8 chloride 1 2 1 2 3 4, and other 4 are arranged like that below the second rhenium. Okay, and in this phase, it is a in this phase the plane of symmetry like that, the sigma h, and here the sigma v, and also here the sigma v, and 2 negative. Okay, on the basis of the point group is D4H. Point group is the D4H, and in this point group, because of the geometry script staggered, and for the formation of the dx bond, for the formation of the bond, the dx orbitals of rhenium is arranged in the face-to-face overlapping, but for the formation of the bonding is to be or should be in the script, but in this condition they rotate the 45-degree angle. Okay, therefore 45 degree, due to the 45-degree angle rotation, and delta bond is break, delta bond will be break. So we will get the D4H point group. D4H point group for this. And now the second option. Second option is the a compound is given like that trans condition. Presence in the trans condition. And what is our compound? The structure is the compound En. It is a ligand and Cl2. It is a positive. Okay. So has a C2 axis. Has C2 axis. Okay. And during the C2 axis perpendicular perpendicular to the main axis, perpendicular to the main axis, like that we can draw this perpendicular to the main axis. This is the main axis and it is the x-axis. Okay, then according to this the center of inversion, and the center of inversion is present in this center of inversion is present, and due to this D2H point group is formed. Okay, D2H point group is formed. There are the two types of the point group, D4H and D2H. Now match our answer with the given option. In the given option, D4H and D2 point group is given. D4H. Option number third is the correct answer. Okay, thank you.